Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a short answer question for 3 marks from the Cbse 2025 board paper, and the question is from the lesson Coordinate Geometry. Now find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A -2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay, so let me draw a rough sketch of the situation. They've said that AB is a line segment. The coordinates of A is given as -2, 2 and the coordinates of B is given as 2, 8. And they're asking you to divide this into 4 equal parts. So let's divide it into 4 equal parts. Now this is the first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Okay, so now we have to find the coordinates of these points which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. Basically, they're asking you to find the coordinates of this point P, point Q and point R. Okay, so we can find the coordinates of P, Q and R using the section formula. Okay, now how do we find, use this? What is the section formula? The section formula is coordinates of the point is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, and the ratio here is m is to n, and the coordinates of the 2 points are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so let's get to the question. First, how do we find the coordinates of the first point? We need to know in what ratio that point is dividing the entire line segment. Now, as you've noticed, it's dividing the line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, so you have 1 part before P and 3 parts after P. Right, so the ratio will be 1:3 in this case. Okay, so let's use m as equal to 1 and n as equal to 3. Now the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2 are from the two points A and B. Okay, x1 is the x coordinate of point A, which is -2. x2 is the x coordinate of point B, which is 2. y1 is the y coordinate of point A, which is 2. And y2 is the y coordinate of point B, which is 8. Okay, now let's find the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P is equal to m is 1. So 1 into x2, which is 2, plus 3 into x1, which is -2, divided by m plus n, which is 1 plus 3, comma m y2, which is 1 into 8, plus n into y1, divided by m plus n. So that's equal to 2 minus 6 divided by 4, comma 8 plus 6 divided by 4, which is equal to -4 by 4, comma 14 by 4, which is equal to -1, comma 7 by 2. So now we got the coordinates of point P. Now we also need to find the coordinates of point Q and R. Okay, now in order to find the coordinates of Q, we can use the same section formula, but right now the ratio would change, right? Because we have a new point. Now let's look at how many parts of it is before the point Q. Okay, so there are 2 parts before the point Q and 2 parts after the point Q. So the ratio will be 2:2. Okay, so your value of m now becomes equal to 2 and n is also equal to 2. And x1, x2, y1 and y2 remains the same. So let's find the coordinates of point Q. M will be 2 into x2, which is 2, plus 2 into x1, which is -2, divided by m plus n, which is 2 plus 2, comma m into, that is 2 into y2, which is 8, plus 2 into y1, which is 2, divided by 2 plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 4 minus 4 by 4, comma 16 plus 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 0, comma 20 by 4, which is equal to 0, comma 5. Okay, so we have the coordinates of point Q as well. Now we need to find the coordinates of one more point, which is point R. Now, like with the point Q, now we have to find the new ratio. Now, point R, we know that there are 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3 parts before point R and 1 part after point R, which means the ratio will be 3:1. Okay, so in order to find the coordinates of R, we have to take the value of M as equal to 3 and N as equal to 1. And let me write out the values of x1, x2, y1 and y2 here again. x1 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to 8. Okay, so let's find the coordinates of R. Coordinates of R is equal to m into x2, which is 3 into 2 plus n1 into x1, which is -2 divided by m plus n, comma 3 into y2, which is 8 plus 1 into y1, which is 2 divided by 3 plus 1. So that's equal to 6 minus 2 divided by 4, comma 24 plus 2 divided by 4. So that's equal to 4 by 4, comma 26 divided by 4, which is equal to 1, comma 13 by 2. Okay, so we got the coordinates of the 3 points as first one was -1, comma 7 by 2. The second point was 0, comma 5. And the third point was 1, comma 13 by 2. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.